Hey everybody, Texas Trucker here, Alliance Performance Shop at Mopars.com. I just realized there's not much time on this card. And, the good news is I was losing my voice. I don't have water out here, and maybe that has something to do with it being 100 degrees and still probably 90 something in this shop in March. But we're going to try to fly through this one. So sadly, no mystery sticker because we showcased it in the last one. It was a dupe of Picard. Sorry. However, still applicable. Anytime you place an order, you're going to get a bit of things. Currently shipping as a number 2 from Wera with a swanky Take It Easy tool finder. Instead of being a red band with a number 2 and the Phillips icon, it's got KC tool branding. Very cool if you've never taken a close look at that. 75 bucks, of course, gets you free shipping. $100 will get you the mystery sticker, whatever iteration they may be in currently. Metal transfer. Also, just for the sake of historical record keeping, I don't know that I have brought an order in, shocking, and filmed in what would be winter 2026 seasonal. So here it is. This is a kind of a thick cardboard cutout, no flyer, in part because there's no specific tool. However, what it was, swanky little photography work there by Colin. Spend $100 on Knipex products, and you get a free Cobra t-shirt. I've had that thing for forever. Bought it from Knipex back in the day. Also got the one how to spell it. Really cool shirt. Hopefully you cashed in on it. It was, again, the winter 2026 seasonal, which was January 1st to March 31st. Picking up where we left off, we brought in this quarter drive Wera Zyklop Speed in the limited edition black chrome. 3/8 drive was my gateway drug there. I love it. The quarter drive, obviously we haven't done much. My initial fear and complaint is just, this is small. And you're thinking like, oh, what does that matter? You're going to hold it here, moron. True, but when you put it in straight down mode, it's, even without a glove, like my hands, fingers in this case, are like too big, so I'm not getting insane speed because it's got friction against me. Now, if I daintily hold it just right, we'll get the pinky in there, I could potentially pick up the speed. Just having a little bit extra, we're talking like half, 3/4 of an inch. The difference is night and day with this 3/4. I mean, that I can work with this, right? That, not so much. So that was kind of a buzzkill, really the only negative on that front. But pretty cool ratchets. Again, feel free in the comment section to let me know, do we have to do it? Do we have to acquire the 1/2 inch and complete the Holy Trinity? That will be for another day. But what is for now, with a rapidly decreasing time limit on this SD card, is going to be Wera's part number 003973. This thing is $74.99. I think we caught it with a little bit of a discount, but it is right here. Man, there was something I was going to do first. Would have been cruel and unusual. I forgot because I'm in a hurry. So if you haven't figured this out, swanky packaging, of course, that verifies it's from Wera. You're looking at it and you're like, is that a socket set on some sort of a rail or clip? Yeah, totally is. Again, it is a twist lock. You're going to see this sort of like inset image. You're like, whoa, all that's in there. No, but it's going to be Velcro capable, right? So you can put Velcro on this. You have Velcro in your Wera2Go system. It's kind of a, I want to say weird, but like different take on things. If you've acquired enough Wera sets in the Velcro pouches, it's almost worth exploring. I say that as someone who's not done it, but as I sit here and I've thought about it in recent weeks, I'm like, you know what? Like, you might be able to do some pretty cool stuff with that. So that might be something we peruse in the future, but for now, it's not the end of the world. Here you can see Leisure Suit Larry, who has equipped his Wera socket clip to his pants. That's right. All your friends walk around with their giant phones or their Corvette key tags or something. You know what you do? You're a man of function and utility. You clip on 9 metric sockets and 3/8 drive to pair with your pocket Zyklops. Yeah, the Zyklops fits in your pocket. No one knows you have it, but they know you're a real man because you've got 9 sockets. Hopefully your left hip has SAE and your right hip has metric, so you're prepared for anything. So, that, you might live that life. Maybe I do too. Maybe I walk into Harbor Freight just looking for fights with my German tool strapped to my hip. But where this is like totally applicable and you lose like the dork and nerd factor, you're working on something, whether that's around the house, assembling furniture, helping family member do something. Instead of having to carry it, needing your hands free, you clip it on. Let's say that you're putting like some sort of a dish on your house or a solar panel or just, tightening up a rain gutter. You don't know what frickin' size screws are. Strap that on your hip. It's there. Twist lock. It's going to keep the sockets on. It actually does have a lot of merit, okay? Plus, you have to admit, if you want to be that guy, it would be kind of cool. So, let's just go ahead and crack this thing open. Again, we are in a bit of a time crunch. Dun, dun, dun. The great presentation. We gotta give it to him. I do hate that it's backwards of what I would do. I read left to right, so I would have 8 to 19. But the good news is, if we take this out, there's some stuff. I don't think we got a flyer, or sticker, but we did get Velcro, since I was talking about it. To toss that to the side, it actually didn't fall. Here's the problem, all right? Here's your cool little hip clip, right? You can strap this thing, comes down. Is it a branded carabiner? No. Will the carabiner function? Yes. Will this actually hold? You tell me. It sure looks like it, right? Is it flexible? You bet. All smiles here, right? This is actually really cool. And again, in their ecosystem, this would be even better. The thing that drives me crazy, the Wera logo is right there. Okay, and you'll note it's Take It Easy tool finder. It looks great, minus the 15 that's white. How do I know that's a 15? Just look. 15 is white. It is what it is, right? I would just change this and I would have the numbers facing out. It's one of those OCD things, right? You're thinking, okay, hey, that's actually kind of a cool deal, ignoring the fact I might actually wear that around town. I'm kind of digging this, right? And the Velcro thing is like, you mentioned, and that's kind of not a bad idea. Here's the problem. What did I do with that? Right here. I've got Wera part number. Let's see if I can find this really fast. It is 003559. Just go 3559, scroll down. 867 is the price. Comes out of Taiwan. It's a Take It Easy tool finder socket, right? You're thinking, okay, well, wait, what? That was 8 to 19. What did you need, a 22? That looks too small. That's because it is. It's a 14. There are skips. Gasp, I know. German efficiency plus some in this one. Instead of your 10, 13, 17, 19, we've got 8, 10, skip an 11. Plug your 7/16 from the right hip. You're covered. 12, 13, no 14. Again, just plug your 9/16 from your right hip. You're covered. 15 in white. 16, 17, 18, 19. You did get 16 and 18. 15 as well, which is cool. The 12 there for, Asian spec stuff. So not a no-skip set, but close to it. You need the 14. You need an 11. If you need a 9 for whatever weird brake bleeders you're going to be messing with, you get the idea, right? However, look what I've done, ever so foolishly. I bought the 14 millimeter. If you're curious who got the honors, I have moved a ton of the pliers to the icon so they're not handy. Dun 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 dun, that's right, the Hazet, getting some limelight here as a side cutter of all things. And, if you were unaware, this is eerily similar to the Harbor Freight stuff. Cut and extract. So, 14 becomes the socket of the hour. You're thinking, yeah, cool, just wait. They didn't put any extra pegs on that thing? No, they didn't. And I don't know if it's a weight-rated thing. I don't know if they have spare clips that would do better. The good news is I don't plan to use this. That's also kind of sad because as I've thought about things these last couple of weeks, I've been like, you know what? I think that might actually be kind of cool. However, I have plans for these. They're needed for a side project, and they can always come back to the clip, and I could even customize it. Maybe I don't want the 15. Maybe I don't need the 16, and I want a 14 and an 11, or I want a 21 and a 22. Sky's the limit. I think that would fit. Don't hold me to that. We can play around with it at a later date if we need to. But this is what I got these for. The Zyklop Speed. Interestingly enough, I've got a lot of quarter drive Wera sockets, in part from the tool checks and advent calendars. Many, many moons ago, when these were kind of a new thing, I actually bought a 3/8 drive SAE set with the advent of some additional plans and things I've come across. Again, I mentioned it in the last one, but this video, there's no way it's going to be out before that one. So I can safely say, if you missed my April 1st, 2026 video, now's the time to go back. And I think you'll enjoy it. Or I hope you do. But this is kind of what I was thinking. Do I wish that these were black? Yes. Can I get black Wera sockets? Yes. That said, they would be impact. And while that would totally function, I kind of wanted it slim. Plus, we had the quarter in chrome, we had the 3/8 chrome SAE. Kind of made sense to get these. The price was right. The sockets are made in Taiwan. They seem to be very well done. Best Taiwanese made socket off the top of my head, Blue Point. They are very, very well executed. These are pretty close. You got to think of it being matte chrome, but the ink fill, the paint that they do there, very, very good. The thing that I am not a fan of is simply they don't bother to roll stamp the sizes. Do they save money? Sure. Could you maybe get a laser machine really cheap by the time this wears off? Probably. Will that color stay there for quite a while and you can be like, wait, I think the purpley pink was 14? Yes, but there is no roll stamped number. That's my big knock, right? But that is the set, 8 to 19. The fitment here, this is all we're going to pay attention to. Again, reference back to that video because I think you'll get a kick out of it, hopefully. But this is kind of just to complete things and go to town with it. This does have a ton of potential. Now, speaking of potential, I think there's maybe 5 minutes on this thing. I can't delete files because I'm super busy at work. And even though I transfer things, there's times data corrupts and then I lose lots and lots of hours and I can't replicate initial impressions and packaging issues and all that stuff that keeps the channel real. So I have to err on the side of caution sometimes, this being one of them. But yeah, right here, if I come in, and this is kind of what's cool with the Take It Easy tool finder, you think, huh, okay, wait, let's come on down, that matches. And maybe you didn't watch the last video and you're thinking like, wait, 13? Yeah, that's what it was. Well, look at this. Half. You're thinking, well, wait, that's the same color. Now, 13 and a half don't necessarily interchange. You could possibly get by if you had to. 9/16 and quarter do. Well, check that out. I've got the 14 mil, and it's sort of like this magenta color, sort of a dark magenta. Guess what the 9/16 in SAE is? I'm not a gambling man, but see that shade of blue on the 19 mil? What do you think if we had the SAE equivalent here, the 3/4 socket would be? You see where I'm going with this? There's a lot of thought. There's a method to the madness with Wera. You might have to step back, scan, apply some reductive reasoning and figure out what's going on. But when you do, it's sort of like, oh yeah, makes sense, right? So right here, again, going with that, it's not like they stamp the SAEs or anything. So in the future, if I'm like, okay, now if I just learn that 9/16 is that shade of magenta or pink or whatever it is, I'm kind of covered. I really do wish they would roll stamp them, but it is what it is. Like I said, these do have a purpose. Hopefully it was a good time, bringing some smiles to people's faces. I don't know. But that's actually what I'm going to go work on, and I don't need to record any of that. I just get to put it together in peace with the radio going, and maybe even stand in front of a fan, because it is getting toasty in this shop. So there's probably like a minute or two left on this card. I'm going to go ahead and end it. I know, insane. Back-to-back KSE tool hauls that weren't ridiculously long. Now, to my credit, we typically have like lots of stuff that we feature. If you were to average out, it might be like 5-8 minutes of tools sometimes. Standalone, we can spend a little more time, or we can just kind of crank it out. There's really not a lot that I need to say here. I think everyone is familiar with the Wera sockets, maybe not in 3/8 drive, but if you've got a tool check, if you optioned out a pocket Zyklops, if you got a speed ratchet in one of the little textile canvas bags, you get the idea. It's going to be the same thing. Sadly, yes, they are Taiwanese, but that does allow them to have super competitive price point. They seem to be pretty legit sockets. I'm not saying that I would recommend these over Stavilla, Hazet, or Gador's 3/8 and up stuff. Don't get Gador quarter. If you haven't seen that video, that's a good one too. Great deal, super great idea they had, but just not great sockets from wherever in Asia those were. These are good sockets from Asia, so price is right, super cool, lots of potential. Do you use the Take It Easy tool finder? Do you use the Wera2Go system? And if so, how invested are you? Is it just, I had one of you tell me this was a great idea. You put the Velcro in the trunk of your car, like a modern car, you know, has the carpeted stuff that'll stick to it. You can slap this stuff on and it stays put. You know, so you don't have to have a little briefcase style thing like German Tool Reviews got and torture tested with his dog. Lots of options. That said, I don't know how much time I have. I think under a minute. Let me know your thoughts, whatever you want to talk about. I'd love to hear your opinions, firsthand feedback, thoughts, revisiting the April 1 video, whatever it might be. But LoneStarMopars.com is the website. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all three at Lone Star Mopars. If you have not subscribed, I encourage you to do so. If you do that, ring the bell, clip your SAE and metric Wera sockets on your right and left hip. YouTube just might notify you. We got new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, 9 a.m. Texas time. With that said, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned a little something. Most importantly, I hope I catch you back here for more from the shop.